It gives me great pleasure to warmly welcome you all to Egypt for the 9th Annual Conference of Mediterranean Central Banks. On this occasion, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to our co-organizers from the Banco de España and from the OECD, the European Institute of Mediterranean and Union for the Mediterranean for their dedication, effective collaboration and support in organizing this conference. Egypt, at the heart of the Mediterranean, has been the meeting point of civilizations, cultures, and trade. The spirit cordially and cooperation is deeply embedded in our heritage, and your presence here today is a testament to the strong bonds that unite us across the region.
Welcome you to the 9th edition of the Conference of Mediterranean Central Banks, held this year in this vibrant city of El Cairo. I would like to begin by expressing my gratitude to our host, the Central Bank of Egypt. Today, the very foundation of the multilateral order are being tested by rising geopolitical tensions, protectionist tendencies, and the proliferation of unilateral measures. Yet, it is precisely in such times of uncertainty and division that the value of multilateralism becomes more evident. And this is basically what we are doing here today. Although only through robust and inclusive international cooperation can we effectively tackle global issues that transcend borders, be in climate change, technological disruption, or financial instability. We must therefore not only preserve but actively reinforce the multilateral system, ensuring that it remains fit for purpose in a rapidly evolving world.
The OECD and Egypt share a long-standing partnership. Bilaterally, this is reflected in the ongoing Egypt OECD country program, the second largest country program of the OECD, which provides a comprehensive framework for policy dialogue and reform support across a large number of policy areas. Regionally, Egypt plays a leadership role in our community as a co-chair of the MENA OECD Initiative on Governance and Competitiveness for Development, helping to support policy dialogue and cooperation between the MENA countries and the OECD membership. The fact that we are here for the 9th time it's in itself a testament to the continuity and trust that underpin this dialogue. Central banks have a very important role to play in shaping the response to today's challenges. Beyond maintaining monetary and financial stability, they are pivotal actors in supporting innovation, financing the green transition, and promoting inclusive growth. Balancing all these responsibilities will be central to the discussions we're going to have today.
This year's conference addresses the transformations that will define the future of our economies and the role of central banks in this process, the disruptive but promising potential of new technologies, the urgency of financing sustainable development, the need to advance inclusion for women and SMEs, and the importance of greater financial integration in the Mediterranean. These themes reflect a broader ambition to build financial systems that are not only stable, but also innovative, inclusive, integrated, and resilient. Artificial intelligence is emerging as a game changer for the financial sector, both as pressing challenge, but also as an incredible opportunity. Central banks must be both innovators, as the governors have been saying, and guardians, harnessing the AI's promise for productivity, inclusion, and consumer protection, while managing its risks and ensuring truth for financial stability and institutions.
Allow me to single out the Central Bank of Egypt and express our gratitude for their warm welcome and generosity in hosting this distinguished gathering. This context underscores the urgency of joining hands through deeper integration and enhanced connectivity. not only to confront challenges, but also to seize the opportunities of inclusive and sustainable economic development, particularly those offered by the green and digital transitions. The financial sector has a pivotal role to play through integrating climate-related risks into its assessments and developing green financial products. After all, there can be no green transition without green finance. Artificial intelligence. To harness its full potential while mitigating risks, we need to foster an enabling ecosystem for innovation supported by appropriate regulation and ethical safeguards.
Thank you very much, distinguished governors, honorable ambassadors, dear guests, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you, panelists and participants, for your thoughtful contributions and valuable insights that have made this a truly productive and insightful day. Today we've had the opportunity to tackle some of the most significant challenges shaping our world and economy, uncertainty and climate risks to the vital need for greater financial resilience. Yet, we've also focused on the immense opportunities ahead of us, all under the guiding theme of harnessing innovation and integration for sustainable and inclusive development in the Mediterranean region. We've explored how to advance sustainable finance, embrace AI responsibly, expand financial inclusion, and strengthen financial integration across our region. The perspective shared here will undoubtedly enrich our ongoing efforts to design forward-looking policies and foster inclusive prosperity across the region.